Hello everyone, this is Paul from Drone and Weather again coming to you with another video. Today I will cover quickly about the news of DJI's Avata CineWhoop drone with motion controller. So DJI have released their new leak images of the DJI Avata drone after having several leaks over the last couple of weeks. As it appears in the video, there seems to be a motion controller that is now involved with the drone that looks like might be used with the drone soon when it is realized by DJI. Now, we don't know exactly when DJI will release their drone. I personally think it could be maybe the end of this year or early next year. Either way, the leaks look very exciting and I can't wait to see what the drone will look like once it's fully released to the public. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos and please like or subscribe as I post more content on the next video. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you on the next one.